Hi there, I'm Jesper, and I'm the founder of calculations.tools. If you've ever needed to figure out whether your weight is healthy for your height without any complicated math, you know how important getting it right is. Getting the wrong number here doesn't just mean a bit of confusion, it can lead to real mistakes in how you plan, budget, or track your health in general. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use our BMI calculator on calculations.tools, and I'll walk you through a complete real-world example so you can see exactly how it works. So the calculator here, um, this is our main BMI calculator, and it actually accounts for the sex, so male or female, and the age. So this is just, it makes the BMI more accurate, as accurate as it can get. So let's look at the formula. Right below the calculator, we got both the metric formula and the imperial formula, depending on what exactly you need to use. So the BMI calculator uses weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. The formula itself has been validated by researchers and is used by professionals worldwide. So when this calculator gives you a number, you can actually trust it. So let's go up to the calculator, and for the purpose of this tutorial, let's use the metric system. Let's take Sarah. She's 32 years old. She weighs 72 kilos and her height is 168. So instantly, by just putting in a few numbers, you'll get the result. So Sarah has a BMI of 25.5. That puts her in the overweight category. Uh, and even further to giving the BMI, it will also give some more information here, the healthy weight range, suggesting weight to lose to reach the normal weight. And it will also give an estimate on the body fat percentage. So how this is actually calculated, just when now we saw the formula. So we got 72 divided by 168, 1.68. 1.68 squared is 2.8224. So that gives us a BMI of 25.5. That's how it's calculated. And when we use a male or female and put in the age, that just makes this calculator as accurate as it can get for the body mass index. This calculator is completely free at calculations.tools. No account, no sign up, no paywalled results, anything. If you have any questions on how to use this calculator or got any questions in general about BMI and so on, that's particular to this calculator or topic, just leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer as quick as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.